Bonjour. Okay, still no camera, but had to do this video, so I'm sorry. This is just your quiz prep video for your 2.5 quiz. I just want to go over this real quick. Like usual, your Quizlet is right here. Click on it. It's very important for this lesson, especially because there's so much vocab, and you'll see that as we go through for what you're responsible for on the quiz. Listening, there's 6 listening questions. Just like usual, there's going to be a video of me reading them. Then we've got our writing section. So the first section is fill in the blank. You are going to have sentences that are going to sort of describe what a person is doing and then what they are going to do. Okay, so you need to know the meaning of all of these words. Okay, because you're just putting in the infinitive, you're not conjugating them, but you need to know what they mean so that you can put them in context in the right sentence. I will give you a word bank for this section. It'll be just these words in the quiz, but you need to know what they mean so that you can put them in the right places. Next, a la campagne. You'll see a picture of 7 animals. You have to name 5. You have to include the indefinite article, so un or in. And I'll give you 2 bonus points if you can name all 7 with no mistakes. So that one's not too hard. You just need to know the animals. Then, finally, your sentences. These are all going to use le futur proche, the near future. So, je vais, V-A-I-S, and then infinitive. Those three words will always be there. Je vais, and then some kind of infinitive will be the beginning of every sentence. So, I am going to leave at time. Je vais, the verb that means to leave is partir, and then à, and whatever time. I'm going to leave at time. I am going, this is a sentence about how you're going to get into town. So you could take the bus, you could walk, ride a bike, any number of things. Just make sure that it's je vais and then some kind of infinitive and then the rest of the sentence. Then you're going to tell me what you're going to do in town. So je vais and then some kind of activity. You could, je vais aller au ciné. I'm going to go to the movies. Je vais regarder un film. Je vais faire des achats. Any of those. Just remember, je vais infinitive. And then I'm going to return at time. So je vais, I am going. There are 2 different verbs for to return. You could say rentrer or you could say retourner. And then at whatever time. So make sure that you do these sentences and then write them below. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. As you can see, it's super vocab heavy. So really make use of this Quizlet. It will help you immensely. Au revoir.